So we made it. Today we are at Dunn Falls. Dunn Falls. D-U-N-N, not D-O-N-E. And the AT goes north here, it crosses the road, and it goes to south. But now we have no cell service. But I'm pretty sure the falls must be south because, well, that's where the water is. Oh, here's a sign. This should be helpful, hopefully. So we are in Newry. We're trying to find Dunn Falls. I thought we did. Well, we thought we found the trail. We'll see. There's nothing marking it. So we talked to several people, and everybody just assumes it's this way. So we'll see. Also hoping to find the Cascades after, but my phone.
Right there. I see it. You all right? I broke my neck, my phone. It's gonna make for some good footage.
What?
I fell on my ass.
Ouch.
There we go. You all right?
Anyway, so I just fell. I probably will have a bruise on my arm, no big deal, but Matt's giving me a hard time because I was more worried about my phone. Anyway, I just watched the footage. It was really funny. I could barely watch it the first time. I was laughing so hard I was crying. Alright, anyway, it's been quite an eventful trip so far. Here we go.
You'll get to see it, don't worry. We won't tease you and then I'll let you watch.
Well, we'll see how bad it is. Maybe I'll put it at the end. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I just left it in and you're laughing
so bad,
too.
It's good.
Alright. See? Took the top trail too. Probably can't hear me. This is part of the top of the falls, so we're a little further and see what we can find. AT, and it crosses right here. I'm gonna go check it out. Today's snack, Alternative Baking Company, lemon poppy cookies. They make my favorite peanut butter cookies, but we're trying lemon poppy. Lemon poppy cookies. It's really good.
It's really good. I'd buy another one.
So we were going to take the AT down, but then we saw this little sign, Upper Falls .2. Now, who can resist that, right? Well, I'm sure we'll still take the AT down, but let's just see what Upper Falls is. Only .2. These looks like some really freshly painted white blazes.
Maybe they're putting Sasquatch to work to earn some of his keep.
So we're on the Appalachian Trail section, and like I said before, there's a lot of new white blazes. It looks like there's been quite a bit of work out here. Some trees, trail maintenance stuff going on, tree removal. They've been cutting trees, so that's pretty cool for all of you through hikers coming up through. So they've been doing some maintenance up here in Maine. So at least in this area. Also, there is some fantastic swimming holes up here, so that's pretty exciting. And I'm going to save that little note in my brain for next year when I'm coming up through, because there'll be some fantastic spots to jump in the water and cool off. So let's see, with some events that's happened. When we first got here and I got out of the car, had some really weird vertigo issues. I was seeing double, all dizzy. It's never really happened to me. So that was weird. We almost thought we were gonna have to turn around, but it passed. And then we weren't really sure if we were on the right trail, and everybody we saw, and nobody really knew. Fell twice on my butt. One's caught completely on camera. And swallowed a bug, got a bug in the eye. But we saw some beautiful waterfalls. We are on the Appalachian Trail now. So, you know, really, it's been a good hike. No broken bones, no blood, maybe a little blood. But what are you gonna do? Baldpate Mountain is 6.2 miles, Highway 26, AT Grafton Notch 10 miles. Pretty soon, a couple weeks or so, I'll be doing East Peak Baldpate because I'm going to finish the Grafton Notch loop soon. So I'm pretty excited about that. All right, we're almost back to the car. Like I said before, it's been a good day. Any day I get to hike on the AT is a good day, even though I did take a few spills and have a few other issues, but it's worth it. So thanks for following along on all our crazy adventures. We'll be, if it's not already out, it will be soon. We're doing a coffee review video, and if it's already out, I'll link it in the corner. Thanks again for following along. Thanks to all my subscribers out there. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you did. Stay tuned for more upcoming craziness. I hope you're having a great week. And as always, keep hiking.